Okay, as we continue, this is a 2001 Suzuki XL-7. Didn't get the throttle body off yet, just wanted to show you a couple of things. Everything that's going to be in the way of getting this off needs to come off, so you have like all these hoses, vacuum hoses, coolant hoses that go to the throttle body, electrical connectors. So I took a picture of the entire assembly before taking anything apart in case I get confounded by where everything should go back, but some of this stuff is really just straightforward. If you thought the throttle body was dirty, so I'm gonna try and figure how I'm gonna get that clean. But yeah, I'll have the throttle body off shortly. Just need to disconnect the throttle cable and all the connectors and all these brackets that are connected, and then we can start removing bolts to take off the intake once the throttle body's out the way.